you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Twisted Grandma. Alright guys, so this is a new for 2025 Spirit Halloween item. So I haven't looked at any videos of him or her, but yeah, I know she's made by Techie. She's really cool. I watched the video. I watched obviously the demo before I bought her. Not just being going blind, but she seems like a really freaking cool prop from her, like completely. Just like most people are just gonna think it's like just gonna be the head, but no, it's the entire freaking torso. So I really want to get this thing together. Now I'm not exactly sure how this mechanism works, so I might actually need to use the instructions today. So here are the instructions. I'm going to keep these definitely right here. Alright guys, so here is, oh my god, here is the Twisted Grandma herself. I think she looks pretty cool. I just don't like how her mouth moves. Like, this is stupid. Why is it like a ventriloquist freaking dummy? But yeah, I mean, you can see where her head turns, and I'm not exactly sure where the rest of the body turn is. It might be up here actually. So here is what looks to be the bottom half of her body that does not turn. Here is the control box. It has that great big booming speaker. I love that. I'm gonna put it on already just so we're ready for when she's ready. Alright guys, so surprisingly actually, these are the last couple parts. We have the base and the leg poles, of course the adapter's in there, but I'll get that. But yeah, there's not many parts to this. So I can't wait to get this thing set up, so let's do that. That is the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, I just got her all set up and ready to go. Let's plug her in.
Come closer, little one. Granny just wants to kiss. Yeah, kiss you good night. Don't be afraid, little one. This is going to help Granny. Much more than you. Do you hear that sound? That's the grinding of my bones coming to tuck you in while you're sleeping. Sweet screams!
Alright guys, so that was the Twisted Granny from Spirit Halloween 2025. This thing is absolutely amazing. The jaw does not bother me near as much as I thought it would. Yes, it kind of looks bad up close, but really from like back here and like just her animation, like that body turn is a lot more like crazy than I thought it would be. It's just a lot more, it's more violent than I thought it would be. And then just her phrases are great. Here's where her sensor is. It's right down there. So if you do this, there you go. Yeah, she's absolutely great. I think she's 100% worth $229 from Spirit Halloween, especially if you want her a lot. Like, yeah, 100%. Try to use that 20% off, but if you don't have one, I mean, she really is worth it. She is a great animatronic. I think she's my favorite out of the lineup so far that I have unboxed. Monkey Business is coming up next, so be looking out for that video. But yeah, this thing is amazing. I will leave a link to purchase her if you want her. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as it helps the channel greatly against the algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.